Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add borders in Excel. So for us to get this done, what I am going to show you is this one right here. If I'm going to head over and say print, you can see that there's no borders here on my Excel file, and we're going to fix this one. So let's go over here, and ideally you can just go ahead and select all and then add border to it, but in this case, since there are spaces, what we can do is basically try to separate them. So for this one example, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that all and then choose all borders. The same thing here, all borders, customer ID and terms. There you go. And then below, I can go over and choose them all and then add border there as well. So yep, that's the way to do it. Now from this point forward, I can go back and basically click Control P or head over here and see the print. And you can see that this is how it is looking right now. You can see that there's now a border here that we can see. So yeah, that is the best way in order for us to basically add borders here in Excel.